Hi friends, in this video I'll be sharing you the Apple iPhone 11 Pro indoor night footage. I will show the same video shot with iPhone 10 on the side, and there is only one normal light bulb used in room when I shoot it. In my opinion, definitely the nighttime video footage is improved. There is no word I can say regarding the daytime, it's outstanding. And regarding the Apple Play case, it looks good on the iPhone. The quality is very good, and the Apple is saying it won't get yellowing over the time. And most cases out there get yellowing over the time. The downside is that it is very slippery and the bottom cutout is open like all the iPhone cases released by Apple. And actually, I'm not a huge fan of that. I feel a little bit unsecure in the bottom portion. But the case is very nice, and it will showcase the iPhone very well. And the camera cutout is precise, and it is staying above the camera projection. And I have applied a glass screen protector, and the case is sitting above that, giving it a good protection.